Hello students. Now we are start our new topic, that is ovule or megasporangia. It is also very important topic. Now we will talking about the detailed structure of ovule or megasporangia. It is going to be very simple and very interesting topic. So, do you know about ovule? What is ovule? Ovule is the part of the ovary of seed plants that contain the female germ cell and after fertilization becomes the seed. We are going to start the structure of ovule from inside out. We have already talking about structure of pistil or carpel. There are three main region. First one is stigma, second one is style, and third one is ovary. Stigma is a front portion of pistil, and second one is long cylindrical portion that is known as style, and last basal bulge portion that is ovary, and inside the ovary have ovule. So we know there is an ovarian cavity and ovarian locule. उस locule में placenta attach होता है and itself placenta attached is your ovule or megasporangia. So this is all about for ovule. Now we can say the structure of ovule is very interesting. The ovule consists of integument, megasporangium. There are two covering for protection that is known as integument, outer integument and inner integument. It is a small structure connected to the placenta by means of a funicle. The hilum is the point of attachment between ovule and funicle. Each ovule is covered by a protecting covering, as we already say, called integument, which surround the nucellus. Now we will talk about the location within the plant. In flowering plant or angiosperm plant, the ovule is located inside the portion of the flowers called the gynoecium. The ovary of the gynoecium produce one or more ovule and ultimately becomes the fruit wall. Ovules are attached to the placenta in the ovary through a stalk-like structure known as a funiculus. Different pattern of ovule attachment or placentation can be found among plant species. These include, in this slide we can easily see the position of ovule. Their first portion is stigma, style and ovary, and inside the ovary it have ovules. Now we will talk about the structure of ovules in detail. In seed plants, the ovule is the structure that gives rise to and contain the female reproductive cells. It consists of three parts: the integument, forming its outer layer, the nucellus or remnant of the megasporangium, and the female gametophyte formed from a haploid megaspore. In this center, the female gametophyte, specifically termed a megagametophyte, is also called the embryo sac in angiosperms. The megagametophyte produces an egg cell for the purpose of fertilization. Now, with this example, we easily understand the structure of ovule. Now we are going to start the structure of ovule from inside out. First, we will discuss about the center portion of ovule, that is embryo sac. And this embryo sac, it is also called as female gametophyte. It has egg cell. Egg cell, large center haploid cell, and two supporting haploid synergid cells. So two synergid cells surround the egg cell. Synergid cells are small in size, that is a haploid, and egg cell, it is present in center of the both synergid cells, and that is a big in size comparison to synergid. Synergid shows hair-like projections called filiform apparatus, which guide the pollen tube towards the egg. Now we can talk about antipodal cell, that is present the base of the egg, base of the embryo sac. Antipodal cells are group of 3 cells present at the chalazal end. The two haploid polar nuclei of large central cells fuse to form diploid secondary nucleus or definitive nucleus just prior to fertilization. This 7-cell and 8 nucleated structure is called an embryo sac. Now we will talk about nucellus. This present outside of egg cell, embryo sac. They are rich in nutrients, or they have good mass of reserve food materials. We can also call as nucellus as nucellar cells. It gives nutrition for egg cell. Just outside the nucellus, there are two protecting covering. This is known as integument. Outer integument and inner integument. It play a role for protection. Here we can see the stalk-like structure that is known as funiculus. This stalk, which is attaching the placenta within ovule. प्लेसेंटा से ओव्यूल को अटैच करने के लिए जो पोर्शन होता है उसको स्टार्क बोलते हैं. दिस इज बेसिकली known as funicle. Now here one term, that is hilum. Hilum is a specialized region. It means hilum is a region or junction the funicle meet with the ovule. Chalaza is a basal portion of ovule, and micropyle is a very microscopic pore. Their integument are not meat. That this portion is known as micropyle. Nucellus is made up of by diploid parenchymatous tissue. The next and last portion is ref. It is a portion of the funiculus that is united to the ovule wall, commonly visible as a line or ridge on the seed coat, the median groove of a diatom's wall. So students, in this slide you can see the simple structure of ovule. First portion, that is a nucellus, not a nucleus, that is a nucellus. We can also called as nucellar cells. This is the outer side of embryo sac, which have a high amount of nutrients. The second portion is chalaza, that is a basal part of this ovule. Third portion is ref. Here third portion is shows the funiculus, that is a region of attachment between placenta and ovule. And number 4 shows the portion of ref. Okay, keep learning. Thank you.